Actually the biggest movie of the year so far. And a lot of people saw it, including us. So what do you...
Are we getting into the review now, or
Welcome to Austin
and Surafel's?
Surafel's and Austin.
What? Yeah. Okay.
Welcome to Surafel and Austin's review show between
some
two
plants.
Between some plants?
Welcome
to
to
Surafel
and Austin's review show between some plants. Welcome to Surafel and Austin's review show between some plants.
Between two plants.
Some plants. We'll work on that later. I'm Austin.
And I'm Surafel.
And we are going to review some things.
Between two plants. Today, we're going to be talking about Infinity War, which is a movie by Marvel Studios. It is their 18th, 19th?
I don't know. It's one of their later ones, you know.
They
got quite a lot of them.
It's their second most recent movie.
Basically, the Avengers take on Thanos, which is the one of the big bads of the Marvel.
The Avengers and Guardians and Doctor Strange.
Yes, they all take on Thanos, which is one of the big bads of the Marvel universe. Second only to like Galactus, I think.
Yeah, this movie has sort of been the culmination of the past 18 movies in the MCU. And it's kind of all been leading to this point. And yeah, it's kind of a huge moment in movies, just in general, because I don't think anything like this has ever really been done before, as far as I know.
Definitely not.
Yeah, I saw this I think probably 6 times in theaters, which is
that's a lot of money.
Yeah, it's way more than economically suggestible. Like, it's just a terrible decision. But yeah, so basically what it is there are these little infinity MacGuffins that Thanos is collecting throughout the course of the film, and once he does it, he can erase half of the universe because there's universal overpopulation, and Thanos is an environmentalist who is trying to...
Which actually isn't proven to be a thing. Thanos just wants to kill half of the population of the universe. They showed some planets where it was a thing, but you don't know if that's the thing on every planet. So I don't know if galaxy or universal genocide's the answer to the problem.
We can argue about ethics, but if you want to talk about results,
it's true. He's a man that does a lot of things.
So a lot of people have said that the ending of this movie is kind of undercut by the fact that they have these movies that are slated in the future. Like, they have Spider-Man 2 slated, they have Guardians 3 slated, they have a second Black Panther slated. So the big event at the end of the movie where everyone dies feels a bit cheapened because they're going to come back because they have to. I see what they're saying, how that kind of metatextually changes everything, but at the same time, I feel like I saw people in the audience who were crying, who were literally crying. So I don't know. I feel like it had an impact, I
don't know about everybody coming back though, because some people like Robert Downey Jr., their contract ends with Infinity War. They're not going to be in Infinity War Part 2. Or they may be in it just to...
Yes, they are, yes.
There's
footage, that they have behind-the-scenes footage of him for the next one.
Okay, maybe for the
Not
next
footage,
one,
sorry,
but I'm saying
photography.
He's his contract is ending soon. He's not going to be, Iron Man forever.
Well, yeah, but as it relates to the people that died on screen now, they're going to be back because they have to be, because they have movies that are being slated. So, I don't know. What do you think?
I think it kind of was cheap to do it because, it was sure a big shock value. But then again, while I was watching the movie, I was like, man, I just saw the announcement for Spider-Man 2 today. So I'm not really going to take this at, what I'm seeing it for, because I've literally seen that this is not going to stay the way it is. So it just kind of took the big shock factor out of it for me, which I think was the whole point of the movie. You get this big buildup to the point where this just half the population goes away. But then it's not going to last.
So are you saying that when you saw because there's another Spider-Man movie coming out, seeing his death, it didn't feel too good?
No, it just it felt like it kind of ruined it. If you're going to kill somebody, but then okay, that came out wrong. If you're going to kill somebody on screen, kill them on screen, but you have to do it in a believable way. And I think they did it in a way that's not believable. You know what I'm saying? Make me feel like they're dead forever.
That I don't know. I just that stance. I don't feel too good about that. I don't know. I'm not sure how much I agree with that.
Well, agree to disagree.
2. Infinity War. Avengers 3. Infinity War
Part 1.
Part 1.
JK.